Hey guys, happy Monday. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Thanks for joining me today. Thanks so much for watching. I'm really excited. I just checked and I am at 292 subscribers. Only 8 more and I can add something else to the giveaway. Today is the last day of the giveaway, guys. So be sure that you go back to my video that I posted on Monday the 24th and make sure you have commented and liked that video so that you get entered, and you have to be subscribed to my channel to win. So, excuse me. Be sure you go back to that post or to that video, like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry, I got something going on with my eye this morning. Ugh. Anyway, and get in there and if we reach 8 more by tonight, I'll put something else in the giveaway. So, and remember, I'm going to be coming on Tuesday morning, and I will pull up that link to that video and put it in the random comment picker, and that's how we're going to pick the winner of the giveaway. So thank you so much for everybody that has subscribed so far and is following me. I'm having so much fun with this channel, and I love getting to know you guys. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about today. It's not going to be very long, but just a little bit about this weekend. Went Saturday and went to my middle daughter, her family, went to their house and visited with them for a little while. And while we were there, they have an Ollie's, and I love going to Ollie's. Love it, love it, love it. My husband had never been, had no idea what an Ollie's was, so we all went to Ollie's, and I went right over to see if they had yarn. It depends. Sometimes you can go into Ollie's, at least the ones in my area that I have close to me that I go to. Um, Sometimes you can go in and they won't have any yarn. Sometimes they'll have a little and sometimes they'll have a lot. It's just a hit or miss whenever you go in there. So I always go and check just to see. And they didn't have a whole lot, but I did find a couple of great deals. And one of them was they had this impeccable yarn, and this is normally a $4.99, and they had it for $1.99 a skein. So yes, I grabbed some of that. This is a 4 medium weight. It's 285 yards, 4.5 ounces, and you got to watch sometimes with Ollie's. Now they had some other yarn in there that was $1.99, but it was these little skein that had like um oh, it was like maybe a little over 100 yards in it. So that wasn't a deal, because if you multiplied it out to the yardage compared to this, it wasn't a deal. So you got to know your yarn prices when you're going and shopping with Ollie's to be sure. But this was a deal. So like I said, regularly $4.99. I got it for $1.99. I got 3 skeins of this color called Green Mist. And then I got 3 skeins of this color in the Impeccable. And the name of this color is, oh, they put the sticker right over the color name. Let me see if I can peel that off. Well, let me get another one. Well, they put it over the well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, take that back. I got 5 of this color. This green. It's not showing up real green. It's like a light sagey green on this one. Um, well, okay, let me do some picking on here. I did not realize they put the price tag over the name of the color. Let me see if I can get it to peel. Ah, mint. Okay, that did peel back. This is a mint. Again, this one's called Green Mist, and this one is a mint. So that's what I got. 285 yards in each skein, And it was fun. And then, oh, I'll tell you what she said in a minute. Then I got two of these Karen cotton ripple cakes. And this is normally $11.99, and I got it for $4.99. And I got two of these. They are a 3 lightweight, and let's see, 491 yards, 8.5 ounces, 240 grams. And this is called Mauve Glow. And I got two. Let's see if I can hold it up there and you can see the colors. I just think that's so pretty. There's yellows and well, let's see, yellows and pinks and purples, and that's the strand there. So my daughter, when I was picking all these up, she said, "Okay, Mom, you got any plans for that yarn?" I said, "No, not yet." And she said, "Well, then why are you buying it?" I said, "Because it's on sale." She just doesn't understand. She doesn't understand. Yeah, I tried to explain, and they just don't get it. But you guys do. Put this in here, excuse me. But I know you guys understand. So it was on sale, had to have it. I said, I don't have a plan for it yet, but I will have a plan for it. Trust me, at some point. So we had, of course, both of my grandsons and with us too. And excuse me for the yawning this morning. I've not been up very long. It's been a crazy weekend. But anyhow, our 4-year-old grandson, we walked in the door and I said, "Okay, where you want to go look first?" Books. That kid loves books. So we went straight to the book aisle and I got him a couple of books. And then Poppy came and got him and took him down the toy aisle. And of course, you have to get them stuff. You just, as grandparents, I don't know how many of my subscribers on here are grandparents, but if you are, you can relate. You just have to. When you don't see them all the time and you have that special time with your grandkids, and you go into a store, you just have to buy them something. So we brought several somethings. And I love it. I love spoiling my grandsons. So we spent the afternoon with them, and then we drove another hour from their house down to my oldest daughter's home, and we spent Saturday night and Sunday with them. Um, and I got my oldest, he's 5, but he loves Play-Doh. Absolutely loves it. And so we found a big box of Play-Doh that had like 15 jars of Play-Doh and all these different little molds and things with it. So we bought the whole set and we took that to him. And as soon as we got there and put our stuff in the house, he wanted to get it out and play. So Grammy and Tucker sat at the dining room table and we played with the Play-Doh for about an hour. He loved it. He loved it. So we got to have our time with the Play-Doh, and we just had a great weekend with our kids and our grandsons. So I have everything set up on my table, guys, to start filming the tutorials. I said my first one was going to be earrings, but I've changed that up. I've had some people ask me about the pot holders I've been making because they'd like to do some for Christmas gifts. So I am going to spend today working on, oh, excuse me. I'm going to spend today working on that tutorial for the pot holder. And so I'm hoping to get that done and I'll have that posted. I'm hoping to have that done today and posted tomorrow. We will see what happens. Okay. So I'm going to get off here. I've got a lot to do this morning. And but I just wanted to share those yarns that I bought. Don't know what I'm going to do with them. If you have an idea for me to use those cakes or the Impeccable, comment below and let me know what you would make with those. I just thought those two greens went good together, so I'm just not sure what I'm going to do with that. I was thinking maybe a shawl for the cake because I love the shawls. But if you guys got other ideas, let me know. So I'm going to get off here, get some things done. And I hope you all had a great weekend too. And if you're new and just watching today, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And y'all, I'm so excited about finally getting started on these tutorials. I hope you like them. So I will talk to you again tomorrow. Love you guys. Have a magnificent Monday. Bye.